Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make the festival sweet kolukattai with palm jaggery. This is made of rice flour. It will be soft and will taste so good. For the recipe I am taking a cup of palm jaggery. To this add half a cup of water. Let this dissolve completely. If you don't have palm jaggery, use regular jaggery. So now it is completely melted. To this add a quarter teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Give a nice mix. Here the jaggery syrup is ready. Let us filter it and add it into another pan. To this let us add a cup of scraped coconut, a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Give everything a nice mix and bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add a cup of rice flour. Keep the flame low and then add the rice flour. Now stir this continuously. No lump should be formed and you have to stir this continuously until it becomes thick and soft. Once it is thick, it won't stick to the pan. Let this cool down a little bit. Once the heat is bearable, we can start shaping this. We need to steam cook this, so I am using an idli steamer for this. Grease the idli plate with some ghee. Apply some oil in your hand too so that it won't stick to the hand. Take some and shape it like this. This is a traditional way of shaping pidi kolukattai, but if you want, you can make it in different shapes. All our kolukattais are ready to be steamed. I am using an idli steamer here. It is already filled with water. Steam cook this for 10 minutes. Here our kolukattai is ready. Let us serve this. Do try the recipe. It will taste so good. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do share, like and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.